chat about labiaplasty. Why is this surgery important for women? It is important for so many reasons. Women come to my office to discuss, first of all, comfort, then about intimacy, and also aesthetic. What do women want when they're considering labiaplasty? They want more comfort. They want more comfort during sexual intercourse, during exercise like bicycle or bike riding, or even more comfort in their clothes. Of course, they want it to look good, but really the main reason, the number one, is really comfort. And that's something that I can really consider giving them back after the surgery. Why women are shy about discussing labiaplasty? First of all, they always think that they're the only one or they're the worst one, the longest one, which is not true. Yes, we're all different considering like the genital anatomy, but you're not the only one. And that's something to be discussed with your surgeon is what is your anatomy? Yes, it's normal. What can be improved for your comfort and for also the look. This is not a cookie cutter surgery. This is really a surgery that needs to be tailored to your need and to your anatomy. Yes, sometimes it can be confusing which technique to choose for a labiaplasty. We have two main techniques. The trim technique, which we consider really removing the edge of the labia to give a more natural but a really smooth outer look, and also to remove the pigment. The second technique is the wedge, which we will be removing a wedge and to close it down to make the labia less protruding. Those two techniques are great, and those two techniques can give natural results. It's really depending on your goals and also your anatomy. So that's something that needs to be discussed with your surgeon. Why considering a labiaplasty can be scary? Where we're all scared about losing sensitivity there. And that's why it's important to choose a surgeon that's experienced or that's doing a lot of labiaplasty to make sure to avoid that complication. We need to stay away from the clitoral nerve because that's something that we want to preserve. So make sure that you discuss with your surgeon before, and it is okay to be scared. Ask your question. This is okay. Can a busy woman fit a labiaplasty in her schedule? Yes, of course. So this surgery, it's not a long downtime, usually about 2 days off work, and then you can go back to your regular work if it's not physical. However, 1 month without sexual intercourse and 1 month without big training or physical activity. So that's something that can be discussed for the timing, but it is definitely something that busy women can fit in the schedule. How to plan a labiaplasty? The first step is to book a consultation where we're going to address your goals and we're going to discuss your anatomy and if you're a good candidate or not for a surgery. Second is to plan the surgery, to put it in your busy schedule to make sure it's a good timing. The third part is the post-op. So make sure you have all the appropriate advice after and make sure to respect it. And also the last step is the final result, which usually you will see about a month, but really the final result can be up to 6 months for the swelling to go down. So make sure you plan that ahead. My role is to help women to make informed decisions to support their comfort and their well-being and keeping it a natural looking labia.